Hello guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to apply the settings and adjustment to all of your clips. But first I wanted to tell you that don't forget to subscribe, because at 100,000 subscribers I'm going to show you my whole YouTube revenue statistics and growth strategy, how you can make money online. So let's jump into it. First, open the app. Now you have to select one of your projects that you would like to edit, or you can start a new one if you click on that plus icon. And now you have to select from your gallery that videos that you would like to edit. Now I'm going to show you in this one, and you have to click on the edit option, which is the first one on the bottom of the screen. Now scroll to the right until you see the adjust option, and you should see that there you can set up the brightness, contrast, saturation, exposure, and so on. And if you want to apply to all of your clips, just click on the apply to all, and it will be added not just for that part of the video that you edited, but for all of your video, all of your clips. So that's it for this video. I hope that it was helpful for you. If it was, please consider subscribing, and see you in the next one. Bye bye.